There you can see Prime Minister Narendra Modi alighting from Air India One. He has arrived at Naypyidaw, the capital of Myanmar, on a 3-day visit. Mark, if you can hear me, could you describe the scenes to us there at the airport?
I beg your pardon?
Could you describe the scenes there at the airport? Prime Minister has alighted from his plane, and he is being greeted there by the leaders of Myanmar.
That's right. That's right. He is being greeted by the minister in attendance of Myanmar. He is the Minister of Construction and also the Minister for Trade and Energy. Now, this is also quite significant. The person who has come to meet the Prime Minister are 3 areas of great importance for India, and he's going to spend all his time. I mean, he's going to be with the Prime Minister throughout this visit. He's going to go to Yangon with him. He's going to visit the pagodas with him. He's going to go to all these places. So it is important, you know, that that of course is a matter of protocol. But the choice of the minister is also important. The energy cooperation is extremely important between the 2 countries. Myanmar has had large reserves of oil and gas in the past. So, of course, in the recent surveys that have been done by SR Oil, they haven't found too much. But the point is that we had gas reserves. The Prime Minister is now getting into his car and will be leaving very shortly. He'll be going to the presidential palace, where he will be meeting President Suu Kyi, who is the president of Myanmar. And this is a very, the kind of security around the presidential palace, and certain areas are very restricted here in Myanmar. We must understand. Yeah.
Yes, Mark. So, Mark, there describing to us the scenes at the airport. The Prime Minister has arrived, and the Prime Minister's first engagement in Myanmar would be a ceremonial welcome that would be given to him by the President of Myanmar, The Prime Minister has reached there on a state visit.